Hello everyone, this is Fahim from Awesome Tech Gaming Pro. I hope you all are well. Couger Cratus brings futurism with its new PC gaming case that costs $500. It has released its Kratos PC gaming case combining optimal thermal performance and innovative case design. Couger has utilized years of heat convection principles to create a system offering an angled interior layout that directs a cyclical current of hot air rising and cool air falling to deliver maximum airflow. The new Kratos gaming case from Couger brings art with extreme cooling functionality with its open view of internals and support for several cooling solutions. The company believes this new design will produce a high level of performance to keep components from overheating. The latest game case allows innovative cable management to maintain a clean and polished look. Combining steel tubes and curved tempered glass, Kratos demonstrates an extensive amount of space for premium components and a wealth of modifications by the user. The elevated angle of the front of the case is engineered to produce enhanced thermal performance and airflow while providing additional space for the parts of the unit. The Couger Cratus PC gaming case uses heavy-duty connections and easy-to-carry handles to increase the durability and heft of the case without taking away from its futuristic style and looks. The case includes a unique accented light bar, minimized bezel, and dedicated RGB control to give users complete control of lighting choices and effects. Additionally, the integrated LED controller is compatible with several 5-volt RGB connections by several companies to allow for synchronization throughout the system. Couger's Kratos PC case supports eATX motherboards, 460mm GPUs, dual 3.5-inch hard disk drives, and triple 2.5-inch solid-state drives for any build imaginable. Routing tables is easy and quick with a 45mm storage space embedded into the hinged cover to easily view the internals without extra distractions. The Kratos also supports water cooling radiators measuring up to 360mm, CPU coolers up to 190mm, and up to 9 cooling fans to ensure complete cooling throughout the PC case. Interested customers can purchase the new Couger Cratus for the manufacturer's retail pricing of $499. Please note that the new Kratos PC case's price and availability may differ slightly depending on the purchasing region. Users can find out more about the Couger Kratos on the company's product page and can learn more about the company. So that's it from now. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications update. Thanks for watching.
To change your